Hari Om and welcome. This is Yamuna Devi. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Today, I have a very special topic and it's about stress. Stress is something that we experience a day to day, but we don't know what to do with it. We don't know how to help ourselves to create that balance so that we can come back to being who we are. We are deep down. We are peace. We are joy. We are happiness. We are all these beautiful things that we are covered and suffocated with by stress. Stress is something that doesn't allow us to be creative, doesn't allow us clarity, doesn't allow us to think properly, doesn't allow us to have rational thoughts. We are unable to have that balance, that harmony within. So stress is something that we are also lacking in coordination. There's no coordination between our thoughts, our words, and our actions. Stress is something that creates disharmony between all our relationships. This is something that we can work on, that we need to help ourselves, because prolonged amount of time of experiencing stress, of working with stress and working through stress, we start feeling that stress is a part of us. And the truth is, stress is not a part of our being. We are not stressed. We are not born to be stressful. And stress should not be a drive for you to perform properly. If stress is a drive for you to perform, then there are other things that we have to look into. Stress hurts our body. Stress affects our body negatively. We need to create peace, harmony, and balance. We need to come back to us. And that is our real nature. Our real nature is peace. Our real nature is harmony. Our real nature is balance. We can experience all of these and we can even function efficiently without using the effects of stress. Stress is very inefficient. Stress lacks in coordination. We need proper coordination. We need proper thoughts. We need to speak properly. We need to have our actions properly coordinating for our benefit to help us. So we need to evaluate and reflect on this. What is creating stress in my life, and how is that affecting and impacting my well-being, my health, my energy? Stress can also be draining energetically as well. And some people, what happens is they're not ready to face the truth. So we go down, we want to sleep, we want to rest. We start believing that our tiredness is actual tiredness. But the truth is that tiredness it comes from stress. It comes from the emotional tension that stress brings. It comes from the mental tension, right? So all these things start affecting our physical being. The mental, the emotional, situational start affecting our physical body. So the body needs to rest because it's taken such a big toll in these other parts of our body that we need to finally relax and rest. But what if I told you, if you were to better manage your stress and observe it and help yourself heal and help yourself understand when stress comes or what triggers stress within you? Because every person is different. Every person manages stress differently. Every person is triggered differently. So we have to really look into that. We have to really observe it. If we are able to catch it, we are able to see it, we are able to help ourselves and set healthy boundaries so that we are not allowing that stress to enter without our permission, then we are able to help ourselves we're able to function better with more energy. We don't need that stress to pull our energy away. We don't need that stress and tension to drag us down. We can be more efficient. We can help ourselves. We can feel light. We can feel joyful. We can perform better, more efficiently. Our relationships are good. Our family is good. Our home, everything, our dynamics in social life are good. Our work environment is better because we choose to make it better. The choice is ours. No one can do the work for us. No one can say, oh, stress, don't come into my life and take it out. I don't want it. No, we need to see when it comes. We need to observe it. We need to better manage it. We need to work with it. When it comes, what do I need to do? How is this going to affect my body? What do I need to work on to better manage this? We need to take care of ourselves. Stress is a big virus. I like to call it a virus because it is. It's like a pandemic, right? It affects all of us. If one person is stressed, the other people start feeling, even the children start feeling the stress of the individual that is feeling it. The animals feel the stress. So let us help ourselves so that we can heal this body, heal the mind, the emotions, and we can continue enjoying this life happy, joyful, peaceful way. Sending you lots of love and good wishes. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Hariom.